In this video lesson, you'll discover how to apply a plain wash in watercolor.
I will show you how to produce a very smooth wash with a round brush. Apart from the brush and watercolor paper, you will also need a saucer to pre-mix any watercolor paint of your choosing. For example, I used the blue pigment PB15, but you can choose any other pigment that you would like to make a wash with. On the watercolor paper, I am marking 2 vertical lines to indicate the left and right borders, but this is completely optional. It is very important to have a sufficient quantity of the paint mix that will last for the whole wash. In order to apply the first horizontal brush stroke along the top edge of the paper, I thoroughly mix paint in the saucer and fully load the brush. This first brush stroke should have enough paint to form the bead at the bottom,